Dollar index H4 chart, you can see it was sideways before big NAP news, then in last big vertical candlestick, and it was shocking to everyone that strong NAP. So that NAP number changed tone of everyone, not just last week. You can expect same thing continue this week again. For more dollar strength, keep eye on ISM PMI number, that is service PMI, and that is most important, and pre-recorded Fed speech, hawkish Fed speech, and more than 50 PMI number. Dollar will stay up, maybe it will break out next resistance near 103.8. On daily chart, this look like inverted head and shoulder chart pattern, but strategy is still same, bullish above 102 up to 104 level, and this static resistance. So from this top to bottom, 50% correction is complete. A breakout come, next you can target 61%. Euro USD daily chart, you can see after breakout of this support, now price going back to next big support level, and you can see from this top to bottom, this is fifth zone. So entire wave 50% correction is done, next will be 61% retracement, and you can say static horizontal support level 0.71. So you have a strong horizontal support level, you have fib level. Watch carefully how price react on this level. Same with GBPUSD. Daily chart is still sideways on 61% retracement of this last wave. This is very boring, very long sideways range. If you see intraday H4 chart, then this is not chart pattern and this is just a sideways range. And you have clear static horizontal support level, and you have two clear horizontal support. First one 126, next 125 for next entry, because we are still bullish on dollar. So wait for breakout of this super strong intraday support level. When it break out on retest, you can sell and target 125. After that vertical drop on Friday, the closing was exactly at support level, but we are not recommending buy because we are bullish dollar and we do not know what Fed said in that interview and what will be ISM PMI number and what FOMC member say this week. So our trade plan is still same like it was last week. So if it make counter trend correction from this support level on fib retracement like 50 or 61, you can sell and you can write pre-breakout wave. But for beginner, intraday and technical trader, you have best opportunity. Ignore everything. Just follow crystal clear horizontal support and resistance. And last week I said about this trend line, it break out and retested 2 times before making new low. But this week you have only 2 support level. Same with the USDCHF daily chart. Price made retracement, tested previous support level, now it is going up again. So you can expect price staying up from 85 level. And if you watch carefully on intraday chart, then you can see from .85 daily time frame support, price first tested 3 times as resistance, after breakout tested 2 times as a support, it made double bottom, then it went up on NAP news. And you can say this is pure price action. Simple horizontal support and resistance. Breakout here, then retest here as a double bottom. Same with USDCAD H1 time frame. You can see entire wave made 50% retracement, exactly testing fib level, and you can see this was almost a double top. It came down, not perfect, but almost a double bottom at fib level. If you see same thing on big time frame like daily, when it was trading below trend line, I said this is retest of trend line zone, and this was a static horizontal support level. On intraday it tested perfectly and it was a fib level, and you can see with daily candlestick, three candlesticks are showing a big rejection by closing and opening price at 1.33 level, same level which I said last week. First it came down, went up, made a retracement and retested big horizontal support level. Now it is going up again. If news come in favor of bullish dollar again, then you can expect new high and you can target up to retest of next resistance 1.36. GBP JPY daily chart, you can see price tested this level 3 times on daily chart, then it came down and now it is testing a horizontal support level. And for more clarity, if you see H1 chart, then this was your double top, while daily chart is showing triple top in same resistance zone. It came down, breakout neckline, retested again, then almost collapsed, and now it is testing same neckline of the double top again. You can see this is perfect price action and clear horizontal support and resistance, and these are best thing for beginner trader. Same with CAD JPY, it is still there testing big horizontal resistance zone. USD JPY, because dollar was super strong on Friday, this pair was up, but you can see compared to all JPY pair, GP JPY giving you crystal clear technical setup. And if price failed again from 148 level, then this can be big resistance, and when it came down, wait for breakout of 146 on retest, you can start selling. But for this pair to go down, you need cut from Fed and hike from BOJ. Right now current market condition are not saying Fed cut and BOJ, same like ECB, they all are slave of Fed. Until he do not cut, they will not change their monetary policy. But watch carefully these two level 148 and 146. GDS daily chart, you can see down again, but next big support level 26. Silver H4 chart. Now I ask you, price action was same to same as expected in last video or not? You can see trend line breakout, but still price is struggling. You can say fake breakout of trend line, and that inverted head and shoulder chart pattern neckline did not break out. You can say two chart pattern working at the same time, but both are fake pattern right now. And only way to get clarity was macro. Until technical and macro both thing does not fit, chart pattern never work. From this resistance level, silver is bearish. Until this level does not break out, silver is bearish. Oil H4 chart, you can see price is testing a strong trend line. This is fourth retest. Watch carefully. If this trend line break out on retest, you will sell. Before Monday market open, there is one more war news, but you can see Oil is biggest indicator for war with oil country and it is collapsing. So what is oil price is saying? This is not war. So this time no static horizontal support, only dynamic support your trend line. SP 500 daily chart. On Friday you saw unemployment rate below 4%, strong NFP number, and in the end you can say soft landing. So inflation is not high, it is collapsing from peak, and unemployment rate is not exploding in election year. So this is your formula of soft landing. Like expected last week, you have two blue candlestick. It is almost their psychological 5000 level. Bitcoin monthly chart, you can see from top to bottom 50 and 61% retracement zone, and you can see clear rejection. Last 2 months you can see no closing above 50% retracement level. If you see from this top, last wave 50% correction done, and you can see multiple candlesticks are showing rejection at 43,777. If it goes down, make new intraday low, then 50% retracement of this last wave at 36,984 can be your first support level. And last week FOMC meeting, if you see Fed monetary policy decision, their QT monetary policy, their balance sheet size, the main reason behind Bitcoin creation, and why we buy Bitcoin. I think it is super simple to understand this chart. As long as that line going down, you can say Bitcoin is bearish. No reason to buy Bitcoin. Until size increase again, line goes up again, you cannot buy Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is still not ready for intraday trading like gold and Euro USD. For investor, better you wait for correction than you look for buying.